how to fix Cox internet account login not working. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply try to forget your password or your ID and then check if that works or not. So you can simply tap on forgot user ID or forgot password, then go along with the process of resetting it, and after resetting it you can come back and check if that worked or not. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you should do is simply clear your browser cache and then try to log in. You can simply clear all of the cache through your settings, and from there I'm pretty sure that it will start working. But if it's still not working, then lastly, what I recommend you guys do is simply try to call the customer service. You can actually find that number via online very easily and simply tell them what is going on and what your exact problem is. I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.